Yes, sir. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and we about to see why they ordered food and it's -15 and they don't know how to tip. Drivers don't make no money when miserable ass people bag their tip. Not a fucking sandwich.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, so you just thought you was gonna click on the video and you was just gonna see me confront another customer, huh? Man, I need you to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm literally blowing up my Doordash account, confronting these people for y'all. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Look at that. We got $2.50 for 4.6 miles at Pizza Ranch. Alrighty, well, it's a higher chance for a cash tip on a pizza order, but that still don't make no sense as why they don't put it on the app, because this ain't a profitable order. We about to pull up and see what's going on. Tip customers on Doordash, by far the most miserable, inconsiderate human beings that you can ever deal with while doing food delivery. I take it upon myself to confront these people so that you don't have to. Don't risk your Doordash account. Don't risk the way you make your money. Let me confront them, give them a peace of mind, and let me make a difference out here in the gig community by letting these people know, hey, first of all, your order sucks. Second of all, you suck. And if you can't go get it yourself, make a sandwich, because this is a luxury service. And if you can't tip appropriately, you don't need, it's as simple as that. The only exclusion from that, the Project Dash donation deliveries. Those are the only no tip orders that I deem acceptable on this platform. Anything other than that, highly unacceptable and highly respectful. If you liking videos, I need you to hit that like button and that subscribe button, because I'm literally blowing up my Doordash account confronting these people, y'all. Let's get right to it. What's a Doordash order?
The oven right now. It's gonna be.
Take your time, all good. They didn't tip, so it don't matter. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Have a nice day.
Alrighty, got that no tip pizza order ready in that hot bag. Now let's go ahead and confront these miserable. So we got our no tip order picked up, and I know some people may say, hey trader, why even take the order? You know what, these people is miserable, and I take pleasure in confronting them, because you know what, they think it's gonna just be a leave at door, I'm gonna take a picture and walk away. Ha! They got another thing coming. I'm about to pick that pizza right back up and ring that doorbell or knock on that door, and that's how you get them to come to the door. Now I'm not saying I want anybody to do this, but that's what I do though. And see, the thing is, I want whoever out here driving to make money. If you are a Doordash driver and you get stuck having to pick up this order, you're not making no money. I just waited 10 minutes for this order. The Dasher who would have picked up this order would not have got another one done in an hour. Guaranteed. So by me doing this, I'm helping out my community. I'm confronting a customer, making some content. It just works for me. So we about to go ahead and see what the hell going on with these miserable clowns and why they couldn't even throw a couple dollars on there. I mean, they ain't even throw $1 on there. Not that that would have been enough, but I mean, honestly, no tip in the snow. Like, y'all see all this snow? I'm not playing. Like, this is real. And they don't give a damn. And some people may say, well, hey, what if they ain't got it? Well, you know what? Open up that fridge, grab you that bread, that bologna. What, you got you some mustard, some mayonnaise? Go ahead, hook it up. What, you need some lettuce? What, you need a couple jalapenos? Make a sandwich, man. Because if you don't, I might have to pull up on you. And I might have a couple questions for you, and you might not like it. Well, hey. Have you ever heard of no tip, no trip? Man! Yo, I do take into consideration you willing to tip me, but I really would strongly just rather you do it for the next driver, because I don't need it. I really don't. I take the bad orders so that other drivers can make money. So it's not nothing on you, but I just do this to show other drivers don't take these kind of orders. Not that it's your fault. And I want to help the other drivers out by not having them deal with those orders.
Yeah. Well, I will.
Sometimes it's not the adult's fault. It was a kid who ordered this, but guess what? That kid had access to an app with a credit card tied to it so that they can place their order. So that man said he gonna educate his kid, and I'm glad that he said that, because you know what? I don't care if you a kid, a baby, an old person. If you smart enough to bag that tip out, then you smart enough to know what the hell you doing. Alrighty, next no tip order. We got $3.25 for 2.4 miles. Let's go ahead and accept that and pull up and see what they got going on. Check this out. If you happen to get an order that's $3.25, one of two things have happened. It's either a $1 tip on there, or it's been declined enough times to where the base pay has brought it all the way up to $3.25. $2.50, $3.50, $4.50, $5.50, all of these is low pay orders, okay? $6.50, sometimes $6.25, depending on your market, is gonna be your hidden tip indicator. So you wanna make sure you avoid these orders at all costs. I'm gonna go ahead and give this customer a trip and see if they know what no tip, no trip is, because they don't deserve to be ordering through this service if they can't tip. Simple as that. Let's pull up and get this food. You can see that order was sitting there. So that leads me to believe that this order was probably declined 2 or 3 or 4 times, and it's probably no tip on her. So when we pull up, we're gonna confirm it and we're gonna see what the total payout for this no tip order is. It may be $1, it may not be, but with it being there already, I highly suspect that this has no tip on it, but we will find out. Tip customers do not have any consideration for delivery drivers and the things we have to do. So after accepting the order, you have to travel to the restaurant to pick it up. Sometimes you may have to wait for the order to be ready, and confirming it, starting delivery, getting to the delivery location, following the delivery instructions, leave at door, hand to me, maybe in this apartment building, maybe it's somewhere they got a gate code. No tip customers don't consider any of these things when they placing their order and bagging out their tip. So that's one of the reasons why I take it upon myself to confront these people, because they think they can just get away with, oh, I'm a mark leave it at door, right? And they gonna leave it at the door and I can just take it after they leave. Well, no, I'm not having none of that. We about to pull up, see what's going on, because we need some answers.
Four, 1, 2, 9 is not available.
Man, stop.
Okay.
For Brianna?
Yeah.
You ever heard of no tip, no trip? There's no tip on this order.
Oh, there isn't?
No, not at all.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. She must have bagged the tip out and put 0 because you have to do an extra step to remove the recommended tip. So I wanted to ask her why she take the tip out.
Okay. Yeah, let me see if I can get some cash real quick.
No. I don't want the cash. I take the bad order so the people who out here working don't have to deal with this. I just want to let her know that we don't make no money when they bag the tip out.
Okay.
And if you can't, go get it yourself. But tell her to make a sandwich next time, order less, or tip the driver, because we don't make no money like this.
All right.
Yeah, and tell her 1 star, -1 star. I don't care. Down here, I'll be telling her the same thing.
Help, man.
No, I don't have to. I definitely don't have to.
Okay.
So, you know, hold off on all that, because I'm doing this. It ain't on you.
Okay.
It's on Brianna. They you out, but don't do that though, because I don't have to. I definitely do not have to.
Okay, what's your name?
Your name is on the app. Give me a 1 star, do whatever you gotta do. Cause I tell you what, tell her tip next time, cause drivers don't make no money when miserable ass people bag their tip out. Tell her go get it herself or make a fucking sandwich. Not a freaking, a fucking sandwich.
Have a fucking good
I appreciate it, bruh.